How to fix the Crew Motorfest is crashing on Steam. So first you'll need to right click the game in your library, open up the properties window, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is done, you want to go back to the general tab and add -dx11 to the launch options box. Now you can close this window and close Steam. Next, you'll need to open up the GPU app where you can get updates. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you will need NVIDIA app. For the AMD, you can use AMD software. You can go to drivers and check for updates here and make sure to get the latest updates available. And the last thing you'll need to do is open up a new browser tab and search for Rebus. Click on the first Microsoft link and then scroll down to the second table here and download the 86 and the 64 installers for distributables and install both of them. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your system. And after the system restart, you want to open up Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can launch the game again from your library. And this should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.